Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shemala Pullen looks at swimmer's ear.
The health report is swimmer's ear is a bacterial infection of the outer ear canal. It usually happens when contaminated water remains trapped in the ear after swimming, creating a moist environment where bacteria can grow.
So the symptoms of a swimmer's ear include pain, and this pain is aggravated by any action that moves the ear, simply touching the ear or laying down on the ear. You may also see an ear discharge, which is typically kind of yellow or green. It often doesn't run down on the side of the face, but if you put cotton in the ear and take it out, you see the discharge on it. This discharge may also have an odor. The hearing may actually somewhat be muffled because of the accumulation of the debris and discharge in the ear canal.
Swimmer's ear can affect anyone.
Usually gets there with contaminated water sitting in the ear canal, and often the patient goes along and uses a Q-tip or a hairpin and scratches the ear. We get this because bodies of water, including swimming pools, actually have a high concentration of bacterial organisms. Things like we call Pseudomonas and E. coli. These bacteria actually are contaminants that get in the water and survive the chlorine.
Swimmer's ear can be prevented by keeping the ears dry and avoiding injury to the ear canal.
And you may also need some ear drops which contains antibiotics, and it may also contain a steroid to reduce inflammation. Usually you'd use these drops for up to 10 days, twice a day, in order to eliminate the infection. Your physician will also want to clean your ear out to eliminate the debris and discharge that is there, and that is an important part of getting the swimmer's ear to settle. And then in terms of avoiding recurrences, if you have to swim, and we know it's the summer, it's going to be hot and people will want to swim, just make sure that you have a mechanism to dry the ear carefully. And as I say, you do have these little fans that are sold online. Another way is just to put a little bit of cotton at the entrance of the ear and tilt the head.
With your health report, I'm Shemala Pullen wishing you good health.